ako, I really doubt if BBM, VP
Yes.
Sara will
Will it-
resign. Walang, palagay ko, hindi ini-entertain nila yan.
If you
Wala
were the
yan.
President, Gov, would you trust your Vice President to resign? Kasi ganito yan, Professor and
tama.
Attorney
So para
Karen.
magpa-package deal sila. Unity
Dapat-
team naman sila dati na elect eh. Dapat mag-unity team sila.
Oo nga tayo nagsama.
Dapat kasi simultaneous sila mag-resign. Pag nauna mag-resign si PBBM, magsasucceed si VP Sara by operation of law.
Tama.
Pag hindi, sabay. Or pag hindi mauna si VP Sara mag-resign at nauna si BBM, by operation of law, VP Sara will succeed. So, kunwari, let's just say, ako, theoretical lang to go. If you were the President, would you trust and would you rely on your VP to simultaneously resign or resign first?
Wag na ako. Yung present situation, I doubt if BBM will entertain that idea. Di ba? Wala. Hindi, that's
But,
not...
well, kanina